Hey guys, welcome back to Quasi Tech Trick. In this video, I will show you how to add widgets to your desktop in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type settings. Go to settings. Then you have to look for personalization in the third left list. Click on personalization. Then scroll down a bit and look for taskbar. Click on taskbar. And if you don't see it, press Windows plus W on your keyboard and the widgets panel will open up. As you can see here, you have to turn it on, the widgets panel. Now you will see various widgets like weather, news, calendar and more. Uh, you can see your relative setting. You can set your date and time and notification, what type of notification you want. Power battery, Microsoft Store, these all are notification. You can turn it off if you don't want on your taskbar. Then go back and you can also change your taskbar behaviors from now on. Like if you want to hide your taskbar, you can basically turn it on and your taskbar will hide, and that's it. Now you can access custom widgets anytime in Windows 11. Let me know in the comments which widget do you use the most, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.